Hi, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel, which has been doing nothing for years. I have a bit of an excuse. I was working for a living and have since retired, so back then I had little time to come into the shop, work on projects and shoot video. I now have time to work on shops and shoot video and edit it. I've been shooting videos since then and I've edited those down. I think I've got 7 ready to go. They're going to get mounted up to YouTube once a week. But in the interim, if this video looks a little better than the videos that you're about to see, there's a reason for that. I've upped my video game. I was shooting all my videos on a Canon Vixia HF200 Handycam, which is good. It's supposed to shoot in 1080p, but it didn't really look like it. So what I have now is this. That is a Canon Rebel EOS T7i with, I got an extra lens for it. I got a telephoto lens so I can shoot long if I want to on the outside. And on top of that, you'll see there's an antenna set. That is my audio. When I first started shooting video and noticed that if I was up close to the camera, things were fine. When I walk away, the audio was terrible. I went on eBay and I bought this little Sony lav mic set. It's wireless lav mic set. I think I paid 80 bucks for it. It worked great. It was wonderful. And the videos, audio was wherever I was in the shop worked. Problem is now my wife is getting involved in some of the videos. So I need, instead of handing the microphone back and forth, which you'll see in some of the videos, I decided to up the game on the audio as well. So I bought a Pixel WM10 dual transmitter single receiver lav set. So now she can have her own microphone, I can have my own microphone. It has multiple channels, but it handles the 2. So we have audio for 2 people. Now, having said all that, like, subscribe, hit the bell if you want. I'm not monetized, it's just me. I don't have any sponsors, but I hope you enjoy the videos. Leave comments in the comments section. So let's go forth and build some stuff, and you build good things out of wood.